Let's do number 8. Number 8, it's giving you the temperature and the pressure. So you know that it's 373.95, and the pressure is given there at 22,064. So I'm going to go to the pressure or the temperature one, and I see that, look, there it is, 373.95. It's right here at the bottom, last one, and it lists the pressure is exactly 22,064. So that's the critical point, right? Even if I flip to the other chart where it has the pressure listed, first column, then the temperature, there is our state. So recall what this is. This is the critical point. This is at the top of the dome. Remember, the saturated liquid line and the saturated vapor line, the values of the specific volume, the internal energy, the specific enthalpy, and the specific entropy, those saturated lines are listed here. That's what this is. This saturated liquid, V of F, the saturated vapor for the specific volume. Here they are, these two columns of data as a function of pressure. They represent this line, these two lines really, the saturated vapor line and the saturated liquid line. And as we go up in pressure and temperature, you see that at the very top of the dome, we're at the critical point, these two values are the same, 0.003106 for both the saturated liquid and the saturated vapor. You'll see that the specific internal energy is also the same at that state, as is the enthalpy, as is the entropy. So it's basically, again, just reminding you that these two lines, the saturated liquid and vapor line, that's what this chart represents. That's what the saturated table represents. And that as we go up in pressure and temperature, these values, whether the axis here, this x-axis is specific volume, internal energy, enthalpy, or entropy, defines the saturation lines. So this is an easy one. I would fill out number 8 as critical point. The quality is not available because you're not under the dome. And the enthalpy value, H, is it's the same for the saturated liquid and the saturated vapor. It's 2084.3 kilojoules per kilogram. All right.